May your loved one be overwhelmed by such deep yearning that they quietly offer prayers and shed tears in the stillness of the night, all in the desperate desire to be near you. In this video, I'll walk you through how to cultivate the perfect circumstances that can inspire the person you care for to genuinely desire being with you, perhaps even to the point of deeply longing for it. As their emotions for you grow stronger, it's crucial to proceed with care. No matter the external factors, remember that you have the power to transform this potential into your reality. I'll show you how to make this happen. The same principles that have helped you shape your desired reality and past achievements will now begin to positively impact other areas of your life, starting today. Consider it a rewarding extra benefit to reach the point where your special person stays up at night thinking of you, longing for your presence, and even moved to tears by the thought of being with you. You must first connect with the energy that resides within you. It's crucial to acknowledge the immense influence your presence carries. Through self-reflection, you'll come to recognize this inner strength and place complete trust in it. Affirm with unwavering belief, I have the power to shape the reality I desire. I am fully capable. There are powerful forces within me. It's essential to move beyond merely wishing for the future and realize that you are actively shaping your present reality through your actions. The moment you fully embrace this mindset, you'll begin to notice the world around you aligning with your desires. You are the key to manifesting the life you envision, guiding your existence toward harmony with your most profound goals. The truth is, the only reason this person hasn't entered your life or appears distant and indifferent is because deep down, you've convinced yourself that this is how they truly feel. Without even realizing it, you're feeding into the energy that reinforces the belief. They don't want me, they won't desire me, and I am not deserving of this happiness. In the narrative you're currently living, you've unconsciously accepted this role, believing they won't long for you or see you in their future. As long as you hold on to and feed this mindset, the realities you truly long for will never manifest. What you believe is what you ultimately attract. So when thoughts like, this will never happen, their focus is always on someone else, or I've tried everything but nothing is changing, come to mind, remember that it's those very beliefs shaping your reality and creating the results you're currently facing. Simply put, you are continuously attracting a reality that reflects these limiting beliefs. As a result, you find yourself stuck in the same situations over and over again. When you encounter the same patterns, hear the same phrases, and reinforce these thoughts in your subconscious, you become confined by the limitations you've set for yourself. This creates a cycle that feels unbreakable. The same types of people enter your life. You daydream about relationships with them, only to see them sharing their moments with others on social media. You fuel your own unhappiness with thoughts like, why does this always happen to me? They don't want me. No one desires me. I can't hold anyone's attention, and so on. You observe something in the outside world and convince yourself that it's both true and unchangeable. By doing so, you end up recreating the same reality over and over, allowing these patterns to persist. Perhaps you've often heard phrases like, "I see you as just a friend." Rather than exploring the deeper reasons behind this, you begin to accept the reality you've unconsciously constructed, the situations you've become accustomed to experiencing, even though it frustrates you. You might catch yourself thinking, "I'll never attract the relationship I truly want." And by doing so, you invite that belief into your life, allowing external circumstances to dictate your inner world. So, can you take a moment to step back and detach from everything you're observing around you, even from your own physical self? Can you view the events in the outside world with a fresh, objective perspective? Are the things you're perceiving truly the only possible realities? More often than not, these are just negative influences, and they don't deserve the importance or power you've been granting them in your thoughts. In my own experience, once I learned to detach from the three-dimensional reality surrounding me, both in my immediate environment and in the broader context of my life, I noticed a remarkable improvement in my ability to attract the outcomes I desired. Over time and with practice, it became easier to consciously choose and manifest the events and circumstances I wanted in my life. I began to truly believe that what I longed for wasn't just possible, but already real. As I saw these desires come to fruition, it wasn't a matter of self-deception. With each success, my belief only deepened, and my life became richer and more abundant as I embraced this mindset. Whenever I wholeheartedly believed in something, I noticed that my desired outcome eventually manifested, even if there were no obvious signs of it in the external world. I'm just an ordinary person without any extraordinary powers. If I can do this, so can you. Don't let distractions pull your focus away from the life and desires you want, especially in key areas like relationships, work, or school that affect your inner strength. Instead, turn your attention inward and affirm, "I have the power to shape the reality I desire. The person I love and want feels the same about me. They love me deeply. They are grateful for my presence in their life. They give me the attention I deserve, communicate openly, and show their appreciation through their actions." Every moment of the day, even when we're apart, I hold a special place in their thoughts and heart. They envision me in their future, and just as I long to be with them, they too dream of spending a lifetime by my side. Let's take this to the next level. You want your specific person to feel these emotions sincerely and authentically. Your goal is to cultivate a beautiful, meaningful relationship. If you've already experienced these feelings yourself, intensely and profoundly, you understand their incredible power. This is where we begin to shift the dynamics in your life. Now, if you're in a calm and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed, gently close your eyes. Feel the profound intensity of missing someone, the deep, almost desperate longing we spoke of earlier, the yearning to be with them despite the distance. It's okay if this brings you to tears. Let yourself fully embrace these emotions, or at least elevate them to a level where you can truly sense their power. As you do, picture yourself as the person you desire, fully and completely. Draw on all the strength and passion within you in this moment. Imagine you are them, with every part of your heart aligned to the emotional state you've just entered. The feelings you're experiencing are the exact ones your specific person is feeling too. You are connecting with their emotional core, touching the deepest desires they hold for you. They miss you, long for you, and crave the connection you share. On certain nights when they're alone, a tear may fall as they silently wish to be with you. They yearn for your affection and desire the love and relationship that both of you deeply want. When they imagine the possibility of not being with you, a surge of jealousy may swell at the thought of someone else taking your place. They hold deep admiration for you, cherishing a love that is sincere and pure. They are ready to follow you fully, devoted to creating a life together with you. Fully immerse yourself in these emotions and feel how deeply they resonate within you. Allow yourself to remain in this experience for a while, letting it envelop you completely. Now, slowly and gently open your eyes. Speak to yourself as I've guided and try to view your inner world through the eyes of the person you care about. This won't take much time, and soon you'll notice your energy rising and your connection with yourself becoming stronger and more transparent. Shifting your inner beliefs doesn't take long. Trust me, you'll begin to find joy in your own company, feeling at peace with who you are. Whether you're walking down the street, cleaning, cooking, drinking water, or studying, you'll live with the confidence and calm assurance that the person you care about desires you just as much. You'll come to understand that everything unfolding around you is merely a reflection of the energy and vibrations you nurture within yourself. Once this realization fully sinks in, you'll see that shaping your reality is a skill, one that anyone can master. Embrace your life with this newfound awareness, and you'll watch as barriers, challenges, and limitations gradually fade away. The only true reality is the one where your journey naturally leads you to the beautiful relationship you've been yearning for. The truth is, the person you desire also longs for you, prays for you, and craves a trusting, loving relationship with you. Do this not only for your own happiness, but for their well-being too. The moment you commit to this path and set the intention to raise your vibration, you begin the process of change and transformation, allowing the reality you've dreamed of to seamlessly become part of your life. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to unlock those next level magnetic attraction techniques that will have them coming to you effortlessly, be sure to check out our advanced ritual session waiting for you now. And don't forget, channel members get early access to every new release, plus exclusive bonus rituals. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and until we meet again, take care of yourself. I genuinely appreciate your presence here.